channel. My friend Ryan is here. Hi friends, welcome to my channel.
Hi.
Hi.
So what you both are going to do today?
Today we got one farm animal.
Wonderful. See down. Wow. It looks like this is a forest.
Yeah.
There is a bridge. And there is the farm. Wow. You want to talk about the farm that you have?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What are the animals you have in your farm, Aditya?
We have chickens, hen. Not hen. Rooster.
Toot, toot.
Cow. This is cow, sheep, dog, hunters. Yes.
I think they are the farmers.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
And
carrots.
you have carrots?
Carrots
Oh,
and radish.
carrots and radish.
And bunnies.
Yes.
And
What will the rabbit eat?
carrot.
Wow. And then what is this? There is a bridge.
This is dog and sheep.
Oh,
And
that is a lamb?
lion.
Okay. And then there is a big forest. Okay. Hey,
One person is there.
what caution is there?
I'll show you. It is that way. Come.
Oh, what is the caution, Aditya?
There's dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
What?
Attacking of that village and that forest.
Oh my God.
Now it will come.
Now it will
40
come?
Minutes. In 40 minutes. Dinosaurs.
Oh no. No, Aditya.
Yeah.
Okay. So these dinosaurs are ready to attack?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
Da 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 da. Do do do.
Oh no. Who will alert? Who will alert?
Farmer.
Farmer will alert? Okay. Oh, the dinosaurs have surrounded the forest and it is nearing the village. Okay, the farmer is ready to attack the dinosaur. Yeah. Okay. So, what will the dinosaur do? It will try to jump.
Yeah.
But the farmer will. What will the farmer do? Farmer will kick the dinosaur. Yay! So the dinosaur runs away. What is the other dinosaur doing there? Oh, it is also trying to attack the village.
Two dinosaurs.
Oh, there is the other one.
Yeah.
Oh.
It is also jumping. See?
Okay, now what should this farmer do? Farmer has to run near the fence and he stands on the fence and he sees, oh no, all the dinosaurs have come near the village. Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're going to eat you.
The farmer will kick one dinosaur, the other dinosaur, the other dinosaur.
Yeah. All the trees are attacked.
Where?
Here.
Oh yeah, there are some animals that got attacked. Okay, now the farmer has to take care of these animals. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, the dinosaurs have damaged the fence. Oh, rabbit is all right. Yeah, rabbit is fine. Oopsie, looks like the calf is hurt. Okay. The barn are good. There is this mountain that is good. The rooster and the hen are good. Okay. Well, the farmer took care of the village very nicely. Okay. Now this villager has saved all the animals.
Yeah. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe our video and comment and like